Now, if you are not getting Google AdSense approval and you are facing certain kinds of errors, and there are 3 errors I'm sure you have been seeing that is preventing you from getting Google AdSense approval. So let's go right into this video and let me show you those errors and how to fix them. Alright, so the first error I'm going to talk about is low valid content. Now, talking about low valid content mostly, it is particularly all about the content that you are trying to write. It's not from your blog, it is not from any problem from your blog. No, it's a blog post that you are writing, yes. So if you are facing low valid content on your blog, these are some of the things that I want you to be doing in order for you to get Google AdSense approval to solve this low valid content issue. Yes. So the first thing I want you to do is make sure that the blog post that you're writing on your blog is, if it is copied from other blogs, make sure that those blog posts are re-edited or rewritten. And after they are being rewritten, make sure you are checking for plagiarism. Make sure this blog post that you're writing is not found on any other websites. If you're able to do that, then yes, you're going to solve low value content. Yes. And apart from that, also not only with copied content, if you're also writing blog posts, make sure you're writing 800 to 2000 words within your blog post. Yes. Now it is like the maximum number of keywords you have in your blog post. The simple it is for Google, in order for them to know the kinds of ads to show on your blog, in order for them to also get you approved, in order to also again show ads on your blog. So make sure that, and then mind that when you're writing blog posts, the content that you're writing is 800 to 1000 plus words. Yes. And make sure that those blog posts that you're writing is not found on any other website. It is not copied content from any other website. All right. Then apart from low value content, I think the other error that everybody's saying is cannot save ads on that kind of message. Yes. Now, most of this problem is actually based on the kind of theme that you're using on your blog. So if you're finding any error like this on your blog, I want you to change the blog theme that you're using and then use a different particular kind of blog. I've been suggesting a lot of blog posts, a lot of blog themes on this channel for years. So try getting those blog themes and then put them on your blog in order for you to get Google AdSense approval. Then apart from that error, also still in that same category with the contents kind of issues, also make sure that the blog theme that you are using, the links within are well checked and everything. So make sure you fix the links. Make sure there are no broken links. Every link is working in the theme, and then I'm going to get Google AdSense approval. Then the third one I'm also going to talk about is you are violating their privacy policy or something like that. Yes. Now, if you have had an error like that before, now this is the main thing here. One, it's either the contents that you are writing is copied from another website, period, and you didn't check for plagiarism. You just copied, rewrite it, and then you were like, oh, let me publish it. Maybe you're feeling lazy or something, but if you're feeling lazy to do that, trust me, Google is also going to show you how lazy they are, yes, in order to approve your blog. So make sure that if you are fixing all these kinds of errors on your blog, and trust me, if you are new to this channel, as I said, I'm Myke Educate, continue watching this video and then join me now.